to find out what Nigeria is.
Feels like, yeah.
When I enter aircraft, and now I know that aircraft was 90% of Nigerians.
Okay.
I'm start thinking, wow, where are that people
These ones are
going?
different.
Yeah, they are pretty different, you know. The first things which I have discovered in the Nairobi, this Jomo Kenyatta Airport, Nigeria carry bags. You know, people can carry everything: printer, rice,
TV,
plantain, TV,
radio, bag of rice.
they will put it in the aircraft.
Yeah.
So we flight. In that flight, when we have started to descend, I look in the window. Jesus Christ from Nazareth. The place, I am in Lagos. The place is very big.
Yeah.